Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to talk about the 2019 Boston Whaler 28 Outrage. Notice before you board the boat, the naturally aspirated new 300 Verados in white. Come on aboard, I'll show you some of the features. As you board the boat, notice a nice walkthrough with a fold down bench seat. Get your lean bar live well here with a sink. You also have a live well at the port side transom. As you step forward to the helm, flip up bolsters here on the 28 Outrage. Digital throttle shift. We did not equip this boat with any electronics. We'll let the customer choose that. Moving forward to the head, we have the optional vacuum flush head down below. And what's great about the 28 Outrage is it's still a great day boat, along being a center console. Had this great sun lounge garage, tons of storage down below. And then you have wraparound seating, along with a recessed windlass, completely tucked away, that comes through the hull. Great feature on the 28 Outrage. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola, and remember, always open online at MarineMax.com. Thank you.